All right, guys. Here we are, week 5, day 1. We're going to, again, keep reviewing some stuff because we are done with content. So, what we're going to review is something that you've probably talked about a lot in your educational career, but we are going to refresh because it is something that we struggle with. So, what we're going to talk about is here, those math keywords. Okay, these 4 words you should know by heart at this point: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then there's important words that go with each one. Like, for example, the answer to an addition problem is the sum. The answer to a subtraction problem is the difference. The answer to a multiplication problem is the product. And the answer to a division problem is the quotient. Okay, now those 2 items you probably know or know some part of, but since we do a lot of word problems, we kind of struggle if we don't know exactly what we're doing. So what today's assignment is it has you take these keywords here at the bottom, and it has you move them. So you're just going to click them and drag them to where they go above. Okay, so for example, add would go with addition, and I would drag it up to the top where it says addition. Okay, and then I would take all of those words and I would drag them where they need to be. Now, if that might be a struggle, if you keep scrolling down in the document, it gives you examples. Okay, so the first one is addition. The other word that goes with addition we talked about is sum. Okay, but then it also gives you words you might see, like increased, or more than, combined, together, total. So these down here are just examples. You don't have to move them up to the top, but it is just some examples to help you move your words at the top. So after addition, if you keep scrolling, is subtraction. Okay, so here it has decreased, minus, less, difference, less than. Okay, so those are some subtraction words. Then we go down to multiplication. Grandpa gave half his share to Johnny 4 times. If you see anything with the word times, multiplication. Multiplied, product, increased. Okay, that can also apply to multiplication. And then we got one last one, division. A 1 pen costs $1. How many pens can you buy with $6? Items packed equally into 3 bags. So division is kind of breaking it into parts, okay? If the money gets separated into equal shares, so it's separated into different groups, okay? So you are going to make a copy of this assignment. Okay, again, yes, it says week 4, day 1 up here, but it's week 5. You're going to file, you're going to make a copy, okay? You're going to drag it, and then you're either going to share it to me or you're going to turn it in on Google, okay? Either one of those works as long as it gets turned in. Keep that in mind, okay? And then remember, I'm also not Jordan Goodman on my email. I'm Jordan Daniel. If you send it to Jordan Goodman, you're sending it to a student. So please don't bombard that poor little student with work that is mine, okay? Again, stay healthy, stay safe, and work on this assignment.